In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import templates in QuickBooks Desktop. If you use custom form templates for things like invoices, estimates, or sales receipts, knowing how to move those templates between company files can save a lot of time. It's especially useful if you want to standardize the look of your documents across different businesses, users, or QuickBooks files. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select, so the process is simple and easy to repeat whenever you need it. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the top menu bar. From there, click on Lists and then choose Templates. This will open the Templates list, which is where QuickBooks stores the form layouts you've created or customized. If you've ever changed the appearance of an invoice or adjusted the fields on a sales form, this is the area where those designs are managed. Once you're in the Templates window, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Templates drop-down menu. This menu gives you options for working with the templates in that list. If you want to save a template so it can be used elsewhere, click the drop-down and choose Export. QuickBooks will then let you export the selected form template. This is helpful when you want to back up a custom design or transfer it to another company file without having to rebuild it from scratch. If you need to bring a template into a different QuickBooks Desktop file, return to that same Templates drop-down menu and choose Import instead. Then select the exported template file you want to add. QuickBooks will import the form design into your current company file, making it available in your templates list. This can be a huge time saver when you're trying to keep branding, formatting, and document structure consistent. As you go through this process, make sure you're working with the correct company file before importing, since templates will be added to whichever file is currently open. It's also a good idea to review the imported template afterward to confirm that everything looks the way you expect, especially if the template includes custom formatting or specialized fields. That's all it takes to export and import templates in QuickBooks Desktop. By using the Lists menu, opening Templates and then using the Templates drop-down to export or import, you can quickly transfer custom forms and keep your documents consistent across files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.